New from Tamiya, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS 992 124 scale curbside kit just got released here in the US within the last week at the time of this video. Kit details include air vents and fins are recreated, the Westage package, which includes wheel shape, carbon fiber hood, roof, rear wing, and side mirrors, roll cage, door straps, shift paddles, and headrest logos. Decals depict dashboard, carbon fiber components, mesh seat surfaces and door linings, and headrest logos. Decals depicting side graphics, GT3 RS, and Porsche logos come in 4 colors: red, black, dark blue, silver. Metal transfers and separate components to recreate the brake calipers and discs. And in today's What's in the Box. Getting started with the body. See, is a multi-piece body molded in white. Getting started with parts tree A has the wheels, some interior pieces, suspension pieces, and body pieces. Start with the wheels. And with the side view mirrors, door handles, here we have the suspension subframe. I think the bottom half of it with the spindles, or control arms, excuse me. Seats, 3 pieces, buckets, the rears, headrests, brake rotors, front, rear. There we have the suspension subframes, front with the wheel wells and control arms. That'll be the rear. We have the part of the wing, tie rod, spindles, struts, half shafts. We have the front bumper, rear hood piece. Parts tree B is up next, and it has the chassis plate and other body pieces. Start with the chassis plate. The lower control arms up front are attached. Fuse are out back. Start up here. Looks like lower rocker panels, vents. These are going to be for the wing. And we have more body paneling pieces. So we have the front vents, grills, the second part of the wing, the second part of the bumper, the inner part of the bumper with the grill, or the second part of the bumper, the inner section. Parts tree C is up next, and it is mostly the interior parts tree with some body and suspension pieces. So the interior tub, all the details are going to be separate, which is nice. No back seat. We have the door panels. Here we have the headlight housing, part of the side view mirrors, some vent pieces. Here we have top part of the dash. So here we have the dash. Let's see, multi-piece. Top part of the roll cage, steering wheel, steering column, overhead console, side view mirror, or I'm sorry, rear view mirror, floppy paddles. Rear part of the roll cage. The brake rotors, drilled, 2-piece center console, wipers, Went on to the next supplemental parts tree, we'll call it. It's part of the part of the rear bumper and some aero panel pieces. Parts tree D is up next, and just a clear parts tree. Start with the windshield. Probably the projectors for the headlights. These are for the bumper indicators. Rear windows, rear window of the indicator lenses. Headlight lenses, the covers, taillight panel. Taking a look now at the blank sidewall no name brand tires. Skinny out front, wide out back. And the poly caps. Turning our attention now to the decals and window mask sheet. So you get masks for the front, rear, side windows. Looks like the headlight covers, a couple other things. And now the main decal sheet. So you have the Porsche side lettering for silver, red, dark blue, and black. Carbon fiber for the roof, the front hood, and part of the, I'm guessing, the wing, and a couple other pieces. And you have GT3 RS and the different colored decals as well. And then looks like you have some seat decals, interior decals, dash decals, badging, scripting decals, pedal decals, and the metal transfers, side view mirrors, and rear view mirror. Turning our attention to the instruction book, you also get a background information sheet on the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. And there are languages on the back. Yes, you want to get yourself some Porsche color match paint. Jameson at Scalefinishes can get some mixed up for you. I'm thinking Porsche Acid Green for this one. Jameson, if you're watching, Porsche Acid Green, can you get that one mixed up? So my friends are going to do it for this look at the Porsche 911 GT3 RS 992 kit from Tamiya. And on that note, thank you so much for watching.